In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize sections in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Customizing your Slack environment can really enhance your productivity by helping you organize your messages and channels just the way you like them. Let's dive right in. First, look at the left sidebar of your Slack interface. You should see a section labeled Channels. Hover your mouse over this section header. This is where we can create new organization sections to make your Slack experience more tailored to your needs. Once you've located the Channels category, the next step is to open the Options menu. You'll see 3 vertical dots, or sometimes it looks like a small downward arrow next to the Channels header. Click on those dots. This action will bring up a pop-up menu with various options that you can choose from to manage your channels. Now, we're ready to create a new section. In the pop-up menu, find and hover over the option that says Create. You'll see a sub-option titled Create Sidebar Section appear. Go ahead and click on that. This feature allows you to create a personalized section that you can name anything that resonates with your workflow. At this point, you can give your custom section a name. Think about the categories that would best suit your work style. For example, you could name it Urgent Projects if you're focusing on high-priority tasks. Alternatively, something like Social could work well if you want to separate your communication with friends or colleagues outside of work. You might also want a section called Direct Reports for easy access to messages with your team members. The sky's the limit here. Just make sure the name is something that makes sense to you. Once you've named your section, it's time to get organizing. Now you can drag and drop your relevant channels or direct messages into this new section. Simply click and hold the channel or direct message you want to move, and then drag it over to your newly created section. You'll see a subtle highlight when you're in the right spot, then you can release it there. This customization helps keep all related conversations in one easy-to-find place. It's really beneficial to have control over how your workspace is structured. You drastically reduce the clutter and ensure that everything you need is accessible without endless scrolling. And that's it. You've successfully customized sections in Slack to fit your workflow better. Remember, this is just one of the many ways you can streamline your digital workspace. The key takeaway here is that Slack isn't just a communication tool. It can also be a highly customizable environment that works for you. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful for enhancing your Slack experience, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. I'd love to share more tips and tricks on optimizing